Hello to whoever's watching this. My name is Yashvi and I'm here to acknowledge something very exceptional that I watched today. So we had a digital painting masterclass by Sardev Dave, an exceptional artist if I may say. And the best thing I took away was how raw and how touching the session was. A big thanks to the session, of course, to Mr. Sardev Dave, of course and XP Pen for giving us the opportunity to be amongst these guys. And an even bigger thanks to Arena Borivali. Thank you so much, Bhaskar sir, Ashai sir, and the whole faculty who has given me the opportunity to be in this. And I'm sure I'm going to take a lot of it from this. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so like I don't have something different to say, but then yes, it was very informative, and for the people who have just begun with their journey over here, so it was very like guideful for them. And yeah, thanks for this session, Arina Murali.
I was gonna highlight the same thing. Like I'm the fresher in this industry. I got so many insight by this session which happened today by Mr. Sadev Dave. Thank you so much for this.
आणि खूपच युजफुल सेशन होतं हे आजचं आणि त्यांच्याकडनं एक गिफ्ट मिळाले आणि आम्ही त्यांना आन्सर्स दिले म्हणून हे खूपच युजफुल सेशन होतं ज्यांना कन्सेप्ट समजत नाही कसं ड्रॉ करायचं थॉट काय असतील आपण ड्रॉ करताना वगैरे त्याच्यासाठी खूप युजफुल सेशन होतं आज.
I'll just take the video further. An artist like me, to be honest, I've only been here for like 1 month, and this was the first session that I attended. So it was really insightful, like what my friends said. But even more than that, it was, like I said, very raw. मुझे ये सब के बारे में इतना पता नहीं है, but for it was very person who came here, Mrs. Sardev was very successful in making me understand the concepts क्या होते हैं and how to begin with that. So that was really, really insightful. Thank you so much for the opportunity again.